Welcome back! Today, we're uncovering what really happens when you eat chia seeds every day. You've seen these tiny seeds in smoothies and salads, but are they worth the hype? We're skipping the trends and diving into real science. No influencer fluff here. I'll break down 7 powerful, research-backed benefits of daily chia seed consumption. Plus, stick around for a myth-busting fact and a crucial tip to get the most out of chia seeds. Ready to find out what these tiny seeds can do for you? Let's jump in. Let's dive into the world of digestion. It's a complex process, but we can support it with simple dietary additions. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses, and they're especially loaded with fiber. Just 2 tablespoons give you nearly 40% of your daily needs. That's a significant contribution to your overall well-being. Their soluble fiber forms a gel in your gut, a process that's incredibly beneficial for your digestive system, acting as a prebiotic to feed good bacteria and keep things moving smoothly. This helps maintain a healthy balance in your gut microbiome. This gel bulks up your stool, making it easier to pass and promoting healthy bowel movements, helping prevent constipation and supporting regularity. Regularity is key to feeling your best. Think of chia as a gentle, natural broom for your digestive system, sweeping away waste and promoting a clean environment. But start slow. Too much fiber too fast can cause bloating and discomfort. Begin with a teaspoon a day, allowing your body to adjust to the increased fiber intake. And always drink plenty of water to help the fiber do its job. Water is essential for fiber to work effectively. The result? A healthier gut, improved nutrient absorption, and reduced digestive issues. Better elimination, leading to a feeling of lightness and well-being, and a happier you. When your gut is happy, you're happy. Chia seeds aren't magic. They won't solve all your health problems overnight, but they're a simple, effective way to boost digestive health and support your overall wellness journey. Add them to your routine and notice the difference. Incorporate them into your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Just remember, gradual increase in hydration are key. These 2 factors will ensure a positive experience. Your gut will thank you. And when your gut is happy, the rest of your body will feel the benefits too. Next, weight management. Chia seeds expand in your stomach, helping you feel full longer. Their fiber and protein combo curbs hunger and reduces cravings, making it easier to avoid snacking. Studies show this satiety can naturally lower your calorie intake. No crash diets needed. 4 grams of protein per serving also helps keep you satisfied. Chia seeds aren't a magic bullet, but as part of a balanced diet, they're a smart tool for healthy weight control. Add them to meals for a filling, nutritious boost. Simple, sustainable, and effective. Blood sugar spikes and crashes can drain your energy and mood. Chia's soluble fiber slows the absorption of carbs, leading to steadier blood sugar after meals. This helps prevent energy crashes and sugar cravings. Research shows chia seeds can blunt post-meal blood sugar spikes, even in people with diabetes. Stable blood sugar means better focus, fewer cravings, and long-term metabolic health. Just a spoonful in your breakfast can make a real difference. Chia seeds act as a buffer for your metabolism. Support your body's natural balance with this easy addition. Want better skin? Who doesn't, right? We all dream of that radiant, healthy glow. One of the simplest yet most effective secrets might already be in your pantry: chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, the body's natural defense system. These antioxidants fight free radicals, those pesky, unstable molecules that damage skin cells and accelerate aging. Think of them as tiny warriors protecting your skin's youthfulness. Beyond antioxidants, they're also incredibly rich in plant-based omega-3s, essential fatty acids that play a crucial role in skin health. These omega-3s work wonders to strengthen your skin's barrier, the protective layer that keeps the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. A strong skin barrier is key because it helps lock in moisture, preventing dryness and dehydration. This means fewer fine lines and wrinkles becoming visible, giving your skin a smoother, more youthful appearance. With consistent moisture retention, you'll experience less dryness and flakiness, leading to a more comfortable and supple complexion. All of this culminates in a natural glow, that coveted radiance that comes from healthy, well-nourished skin. And the benefits don't stop there. Chia seeds are packed with specific antioxidants like quercetin and kaempferol, known for their potent skin-protecting properties. These powerful compounds protect your skin from daily stressors like pollution and UV damage, helping to maintain its health and vitality. Furthermore, the omega-3s in chia seeds help calm inflammation throughout the body, which can manifest as skin issues. This anti-inflammatory action can even soothe acne or irritation, promoting a clearer and more balanced complexion. So, remember to nourish your skin from the inside out, because true beauty starts with what you put into your body. And the best part? Incorporating chia seeds into your routine is incredibly easy. Simply add them to your diet for a simple, holistic beauty boost that you can feel good about. Remember, healthy skin starts with what you eat, and chia seeds are a delicious and effective way to nourish your skin from within. Think bones, think calcium, but chia seeds offer more. Gram for gram, they have more calcium than most dairy, plus phosphorus and magnesium for bone strength. These minerals work together to build and maintain healthy bones at any age. Magnesium also helps your body absorb calcium efficiently. Chia seeds are a plant-based way to support your skeleton, especially if you avoid dairy. Just 2 tablespoons a day can help protect against osteoporosis. Strong bones, simple habit. Add chia to your daily routine for lifelong bone health. Your heart loves chia seeds. Their soluble fiber helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol, keeping arteries clear. Omega-3s in chia fight inflammation, a key factor in heart disease. Studies link chia's nutrients to lower blood pressure and reduced risk of heart problems. Even a small daily serving can support cardiovascular health. Chia seeds are an easy, natural way to protect your most vital organ. Add them to your meals for a heart-healthy upgrade. Simple changes, big impact. Your heart will thank you. Let's clear up a common myth that often circulates in the health and wellness community. It's time to set the record straight and debunk some misconceptions surrounding chia seeds. Many people believe you need to grind chia seeds to reap their nutritional rewards, but that's simply not the case. Your body digests them just fine in their whole form. The seeds are small and easily broken down during digestion, allowing you to access all those wonderful nutrients without any extra effort. But don't go overboard. Moderation is key when incorporating chia seeds into your diet. 2 tablespoons have about 140 calories, so it's important to be mindful of your overall calorie intake. So watch your portions and factor them into your daily meal planning. Being aware of serving sizes will help you maintain a balanced and healthy diet. Here's the crucial tip that will ensure you enjoy chia seeds safely and effectively. Always soak chia seeds or eat them with plenty of liquid. This is a non-negotiable step to prevent any potential discomfort. Dry seeds can expand and cause discomfort as they absorb liquid in your digestive system. This is especially true if not hydrated first. Soak them for 10-15 minutes in water, milk, or yogurt before consuming them. This allows them to form a safe, digestible gel, making them much easier on your system. This makes nutrients easier to absorb, maximizing the health benefits you receive from these tiny powerhouses. And it eliminates any choking risk, ensuring a worry-free experience. Chia pudding, overnight oats, or adding to smoothies are all fantastic ways to incorporate pre-soaked chia seeds into your daily routine. These are perfect ways to enjoy them while ensuring they're properly hydrated and safe to consume. Remember, always soak, be mindful of your portions, and enjoy safely. That's how you unlock all the incredible health benefits that chia seeds have to offer. Smart habits make a big difference in achieving your wellness goals and incorporating chia seeds into your diet safely and effectively. There you have it, the real science behind daily chia seeds. From gut health to heart protection, these tiny seeds pack a big punch. Start small, soak them, and make them a regular part of your meals. Consistency is key. Give it time and see how you feel. Share your favorite chia recipes or questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.